Hello and happy Friday. We celebrate National Space Day on the first Friday in May or on May 7th this year. It was created to inspire all of us in the pursuit of knowledge and progress. There's so much going on in the universe, it definitely deserves a day to reflect on everything. Though it's unlikely you will be able to celebrate in outer space, you can still take part in your own corner of the universe with our gravity defying facts, figures, and ideas for getting involved with this National Space Day. Now let us know some interesting facts of history of National Space Day. We could say that National Space Day's history starts at the beginning of the universe itself when an intense pressure and temperature resulted in Big Bang exploding the universe and everything in it into existence. Ever since, the curious minded have been fascinated with space and its state of feeling so near and yet too far. Yet so far. Whilst early culture identified things in the sky as goods, as gods, or spirits, or whatever it may be. It was the ancient Greeks who developed the study of planets, stars, in the something resembling the astronomy we know today. Although the heliocentric system was first suggested by the ancient Greeks, the theory wasn't developed and published until 1543, when Copernicus outlined his ideas about the planets revolving around the sun. Astronomy was further advanced by Galileo Galilei in 17th century, who was often been referred to as the father of astronomy due to his avowed pursuit of it against the wishes of his patrons, colleagues, and even the Pope. He invented important apparatus for observing space and proving his theories, although he spent much of his life under house arrest for his work. Centuries later, space continued to be a contentious issue when the space race began between Cold War rivals, America and Russia. The two countries competed to be the first to achieve space flight, eventually put a man on the moon. The victory was America's when Apollo 11 and its team of astronauts landed on the moon on July 16, 1969. In 1997, the Lockheed Martin Corporation introduced National Space Day as a one-off event, and it was later expanded to International Space Day in 2001 due to its extreme popularity by former astronaut and Senator John Glenn. Thank you for hearing this wonderful speech which makes your day more interesting about the National Space Day. Thank you. See you on another video.